A Turkish official said Saturday that Turkey destroyed a chemical warfare facility after dozens of its soldiers were killed by Syrian regime fire in the last rebel enclave of Idlib province. The Turkish army destroyed overnight a chemical warfare facility, located some 13 kilometers south of Aleppo, along with a large number of other regime targets, the senior official told reporters on condition of anonymity. However, the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights, which relies on sources inside the war-torn country, said that Turkey instead hit a military airport in eastern Aleppo, where the monitoring group says there are no chemical weapons. 33 Turkish soldiers were killed in an airstrike by Russian-backed Syrian regime forces in the Idlib region on Thursday, the biggest Turkish military loss on the battlefield in recent years. The latest incident has raised further tensions between Ankara and Moscow, whose relationship has been tested by violations of a 2018 deal to prevent a regime offensive on Idlib. As part of the agreement, Ankara set up 12 observation posts in the province, but Syrian President Bashar al-Assad's forces, backed by Russian air power, have pressed on with a relentless campaign to take back the region. On Friday, President Recep Tayyip Erdogan spoke by phone with his Russian counterpart, Vladimir Putin, in a bid to scale down the tensions. Erdogan may travel next week to Moscow for talks, according to the Kremlin. Depite being on opposite ends, Turkey, which backs several rebel groups in Syria, and key regime ally Russia are trying to find a political solution to the Syria conflict.